Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add someone's story to your story on Instagram. So if you also want to add someone's story to your story on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. You can see over here, Instagram application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface, at top, you'll be able to see the stories of the people that you follow. So if you want to add someone's story to your story, for that particular person has to mention you in their story. If someone mentions you in their story, you'll be able to see that in chat. Simply tap on the message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the chats. Simply tap on the chat of the person who has mentioned you on their story. Now you can see over here, the chat will be opened. From here, you'll be able to view their story. You can see over here, that person has mentioned you in their story. Simply tap on the story. Now you can see over here, the story will be opened. In this story, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for add to your story. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to add that story to your story. If you tap on it, you can see over here the style will be changed. Simply select the style that you like the most. You can also add the text over here. Simply tap on the text icon that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to add the text. Also, you'll be able to add the sticker. Simply tap on the sticker icon that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to add the sticker. You'll also be able to add the location, mention, music, photo, GIF, etc. You can also add the music if you want. Simply tap on the music icon that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to add the music. Now if you want to share this story, simply tap on the option Your Story that you can see right over here at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see over here the story is being posted. Now you can see over here the story has been posted. So that is how you add someone's story to your story on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.